Welcome to the CoinPanel tutorial series. In this video, we'll take you on a guided tour of CoinPanel's tabs and their powerful use cases. Each tab is designed to simplify your trading journey and help you manage your activities seamlessly. Let's get started. Let's begin by exploring the different tabs available in CoinPanel. Each tab serves a unique purpose, offering tailored layouts for various trading activities, giving you a seamless and efficient trading experience. First, we have the Trade tab. This is your go-to workspace for executing trades and monitoring market activity. It includes a quick trade card for placing instant orders, a detailed trading chart for price movements, a watch list to track multiple trading pairs, and a section for trade history and open trades. This layout helps you manage active positions and plan your next moves efficiently. Plus, every element here can be customized to suit your trading preferences. Next is the Portfolio tab. This tab provides a comprehensive overview of your holdings across multiple exchanges. It features a Sunburst diagram to visualize your asset allocation, a portfolio Cashometer to track your available balances at a glance, and a detailed distribution table. Whether you're diversifying or monitoring your assets, this tab offers a clear picture of your financial standing. The Yield Matrix tab is designed for traders seeking the best opportunities. This tab includes a yield matrix table that compares prices for a selected trading pair across multiple exchanges and markets, such as spot, perpetuals, and futures. It helps you identify arbitrage opportunities and make quick, informed decisions. Lastly, the Ladders tab is perfect for advanced market analysis. It features ladder trading cards that display real-time market depth and liquidity, giving you insight into price levels and potential order impacts. Paired with a watch list of trading pairs on different exchanges, this tab is ideal for high-frequency and strategic trading. Each tab is fully customizable, allowing you to add, remove, or adjust cards to fit your trading style. Whether you're analyzing portfolios, executing trades, or identifying arbitrage opportunities, CoinPanel gives you the flexibility to create the perfect trading environment. Before we customize, let's explore the CoinPanel app. Here's your dashboard, fully customizable for your trading needs. You can create, update, and delete tabs to organize your workspace exactly how you like. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, CoinPanel adapts to your style. Ready to maximize your crypto earnings? Subscribe to CoinPanel for the most advanced trading platform available. Try it now for free.